Students, in this video I am going to teach exercise 1.2 sum number 2 and 3 because both the sums are same model. Okay, very easy sums only, so observe carefully. Let x is equal to set containing the elements a, b, c, d, and they are defining one relation R a comma a, b comma b, a comma c. Write down the minimum number of ordered pairs to be included to capital R, that means to that relation R, to make it number 1 reflexive, number 2 symmetric, number 3 transitive, number 4 equivalence. So if you understand the second sum, third sum also almost same model. Okay, see, one non-empty set X is given and they define one relation on that non-empty set. What is that relation? A comma A, B comma B, A comma C. Then they are asking like that, what are the order pairs that you should add to make it reflexive? Students recollect the definition of reflexive. Suppose A, B, C, D are the elements present in the given set. Then every element, okay, A, B, C, D, for each and every element, its image should be there. That means what? A comma A, B comma B, C comma C, D comma D should be there. Then only it becomes reflexive. But here we got A comma A, B comma B. So what are the missing elements here? Missing ordered pairs? C comma C, D comma D. So to make it reflexive, C comma C, D comma D to be included to capital R. Very simple. Okay, next symmetric. Symmetric, students, you recollect the definition for symmetric. If A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A also belongs to R. So this is a symmetrical property. Now here symmetry. First, A comma A, it is symmetric by nature. Here A comma A, it is symmetric by nature. Why? Even if you change the order, again A comma A only will come. So, yeah, last class also I told. Similarly, B comma B, it is symmetric by nature. Now, A comma C is there, then what you should include? C comma A. If A comma B present to R, then B comma A also should present in R. So, A comma C is there, but C comma A is not there. So, students, what you need to include to make it symmetric? C comma A. Okay, so order pair C comma A, this element to be included, okay, to capital R to make it symmetric. Next, transitive. Transitive, you should be a little bit careful. Okay, see, A comma A, is there any element starting with A? Yes, A. So A, okay, if you remove, AC will come. So AC is there. But is there any element starting with B? Nothing is there. Right? So every element it should be. So here, if it not there, leave it, no problem. Okay. So is there any element starting with B? No. So leave it. Is there any element starting with C next? No. Leave it. So it is by nature it is transitive. Okay. If it is there, you should check. Otherwise not necessary. Okay. So here A comma A is there. So is there any element starting with A? A is there. So A common. So AC is there. AC is there. Okay, so B comma B, nothing is there to check. By nature it is transitive. A comma C, nothing is there to check. So nothing to be included to make it a transitive. Already it is transitive. Okay. Now equivalence. Equivalence means what? It should be reflexive, it should be symmetric, it should be transitive. So equivalence means what? Whatever you included, all these order pairs or elements, you have to include it in capital R. That is C comma C, D comma D should be included, and also C comma A should be included, or three elements should be included to capital R to make it as equivalence. Okay, so very easy problem only. If they give the order pair like this, it is very easy for you students. Third one, same model, you can do by yourself. That's why I am not explaining. Okay, just I will read out. Let A is equal to A, B, C. Sorry students, Let A is equal to set containing A, B, C. R is equal to set containing A comma A, B comma B, C comma C. Write down the minimum number of order pairs to be included to make it number 1 reflexive, number 2 symmetric, number 3 transitive, number 4 equivalence. So this you can try by yourself. For reflexive, simply C comma C should be added because A comma A, B comma B is there. Again for symmetric, C comma A should be added. For transitive, nothing should be added like this. Equivalence, C comma C, C comma E should be added. That's it, very simple. That's why I didn't do this problem. Almost equal to second problem. Okay students, in the next video I will upload a fourth problem. Okay, if you like this channel, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel.